Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I'm Rachel. This is Wes. He's my husband. He's going to help me out today with some fun snack making. And what is our choice today? We've got the gluten-free Kaktus Corn Chips. All right, and we're going to season it with Cool Ranch. So here we go. And we're going to measure out half a cup. Sometimes we actually like to stuff a little extra in there to get the best and the most for each batch. So we're going to put in 4 tablespoons of the oil, just like so. That'd be 1, 2, and sometimes if the oil's really hard, we use the post in the middle to take off the oil of the spoon. So we turn on our burner. We've got a portable burner here that we're using today, and it works great for those of you who have an induction stove. They're pretty inexpensive, and still you can make your awesome snacks in your kitchen. You'll want to have it to about an 8 on your setting. So here's the trick. The oil is melting, and you want to watch for a smoke point. So there's a little bit of smoke that's going to come up. And when you start to see that with the corn chips, you can let the little bit more smoke come up than the others, because the corn chips is a little more dense of the chip. And so sometimes it takes a little bit more heat for those guys to expand fully. Yeah, and it's starting to smoke now. So with the corn, we can wait just a few seconds, and in she goes. So you'll use the turning mechanism forward and back so that they continually are moving. And if any of them get stuck, hopefully they will just get unstuck by turning. Oh, that's looking great, Wes.
All right.
Woohoo! We are nearly done with that. So he's going to turn the burner off, and he's going to use the lid to secure the chips in the pot and drain out your oil. Make sure you're using a glass bowl. That oil's pretty hot. Use a bowl with some paper towel lined in it to catch the extra oil that's on the chips. So you grab a teaspoon of the seasoning. So we're gonna go a little bit like that. All right, and let's take the chips and put them in the bag. Make sure you secure the top of the bag and toss. I bet you want some.
Oh, yes, I do.
All right, make sure you toss that till all seasoning is mixed. Take your bowl, remove the paper towel. And there we have it. Kaktus Corn Chips with Cool Ranch. Okay, I'm ready for my snack. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. We'll talk to you again soon.